The second part of your lecture 7. Now we will start the examples of past tense, simple past tense. Okay. Farmer did not plow in the field. किसान ने खेत में हल नहीं चलाया. The companions lived a simple life. सहाबा ने सादा जिंदगी गुजारी. Did peon ring the bell? क्या चपरासी ने घंटी बजाई? Okay. Now analyze the English translation of the example. So here you will see that did came. So did is the which form of verb? Did is the second form of verb of do. Okay, keep it in mind that it is the first verb in the sentence. Next verb will be the first. Okay, now move to the second example. Lived. Here lived is the second form of live. There is no other verb came after lived in the second example. Okay, now come to the third one. So it started with the second form of verb of do, which is did. Then again ring also came here, but it is in the first form. So neglect the second verbs, just focus on the first verbs, and in the past tense, first verb will always come in the second form. Okay, so now look at the last words of the Urdu translation. Chalaya, guzari, bajai. This shows that these all actions have done in the past. So what will be the definition? It shows the action or work that happened in the past. So what is the definition of simple past? That all the actions and works happened in the past. Okay, let's move to the example of the simple sentence. The companions lived a simple life. Sahaba ne सादा जिंदगी गुजारी. Here the companion will be subject, the lived will be second form of verb, and simple life will be the object of the sentence. So this is the formation of the simple sentence. Now move to the formation of the negative one. Farmer did not plow in the field. Here first verb is in the second form, and the second verb will always come in the first form, because the formation completely focuses on the first verb that came into the sentence, a single sentence. So किसान ने खेत में हल नहीं चलाया. Here formation will be farmer, subject, did, verb, second form of verb, not, which will come between the object and the verb, and plow in the field. ये सारा का सारा it will be the object of the sentence. Okay, let's move to the next one, which will be interrogative. Did peon ring the bell? क्या चपरासी ने घंटी बजाई? So here did will come first, verb will come first, second form of verb will come first, then subject and then object. Ring, मैंने इसको इसीलिए हाईलाइट किया that it is the second verb, and second verb did not come into the formation, and together with the noun it will become the object of the sentence. So here are the formation of the simple past tense. Simple one is subject plus second form of verb plus object. Negative one is subject plus did plus not plus first form of verb plus object. Interrogative is did, which means second form of verb plus subject, first form of verb plus object, because in after did always first form of verb will come if there is a verb. Okay, so this is the whole lecture number 7, which includes your translation, your formation, and the drill, and also definitions. So your diary is test of unit number 14. After learning all this, you will do the exercise number 1 of lesson 11 on page number 146 or maybe on page number 145. This exercise will help you to recognize the simple present tense and the simple past tense, and you will do that. Then you will do the practice sheet number 4. Okay, let me read this one for you. Practice sheet number 4. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable verb, simple present or simple past. Come to the first option. My mother dash cook dinner everybody. Okay, here everybody को आप जो है ना वो कट करके every day कर लें, ठीक है. Write every day instead of everybody. Okay, now look at every day. Is this shows the action which happens regularly or that happened in the past? Now come to the second one. We usually drink every morning. So look at every morning and guess if you will put simple present tense here or simple past. What he dash draw last Sunday. Look at last Sunday and then guess the answer. Faiza dash take part in a big concert last year. Here dash eat ice cream yesterday and got ill. Okay, here write Sara, S-A-R-A. So here the keyword is yesterday. We dash stand behind the curtain last night. My sister dash water the plants every day. My classmates always dash book. Okay, so come to the question number 2. Use one of the following verbs to complete these sentences in simple present tense. Sometimes you need to use negative. Number 1 and number 2 I did for you. So take notes from it or take key points from it and then solve all the remaining options. The earth goes round the sun. Rice does not grow in Britain. Number 3, the sun dash in the east, bees dash honey, vegetarians dash meat, an atheist dash in God, an interpreter dash from one language into another, a liar is someone who dash the truth. The river Amazon dash into the Atlantic Ocean. So you will take the correct verb from the word box and then you will write it here. If this action happens, you will write as it is or according to the as it is. And if the things and these things does not happen, you will put negative before the verb. Okay, now come to the question number 3. Make sentences of following verbs in simple past and present, including negative and interrogative sentences. So here there are some verbs given in the box, which are work, leave, bring, think, teach. You will take one by one. For example, work. First you will make simple past in all 3 types of sentences: simple, negative, interrogative. And then you will again use this verb work and you will write present one in the present simple present column. And this is how you will do all the question. Now come to the question number 4. Translate into English. So number 1 is सूरज मशरिक से निकलता है, परिंदे हवा में उड़ते हैं, हम नाश्ता करते हैं, अम्मी जान चाय बनाती हैं, तुम स्कूल जाते हो, क्या आसमान पर सितारे चमकते हैं, क्या बाग में फूल खिलते हैं. Okay, so you will concentrate on the last word, last 2 words of the Urdu translation sentence. क्या बाग में फूल खिलते हैं, हम इम्तिहान नहीं देते हैं, तुम संतरा नहीं छीलते हो. So from this you can easily recognize that whether you will put in English translation the past tense or the present tense. Okay, come to the next one. क्या लड़के पतंग उड़ाते हैं, किसान ने खेत में हल नहीं चलाया, इसने मुझे धोखा नहीं दिया. आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने हमेशा गरीबों का ख्याल रखा है। सहाबा कराम ने सादा ज़िंदगी गुजारी। क्या चपड़ासी ने घंटी बजाई? पाकिस्तान 14 अगस्त 1947 को मर्ज़ वजूद में आया। टीपू सुल्तान ने आज़ादी के लिए अपनी जान कुर्बान की। मेरे वालिद ने हमेशा दयानतदारी का सबक दिया। So this is how you will recognize the correct tense and then you will put it in your English translation. So I hope you have understood. Thank you for your time. Allah Hafiz.